Good morning, friends. How are you all? How was your last week? Forget about that. We have a Sifu and we'll win the battle. Let's come to the point. So, yesterday we accepted a challenge given by our Sifu Amal. It was a challenge that he has shared a video of 30 minutes video, and from that video, we have to share our takeaway consecutive 10 days. We accepted that, and this is my first video. This is my 10th take. So let's come to the point now. My takeaway or from the learning from that video is, what is the secret, what is the stringent secret of world? The stringent secret of world is, people nowadays, people don't think, men don't think. Why it is so? Because if we see 100 of people who wanted to start their journey, who wanted to think at the age of 25, they will be successful, they will be independent, they will be happy at the age of 65. Out of 100 people, only one person got successful. 4 of them are financially independent. They got independent financially. They are independent after 65. 5 of them still work at the age of 65. Rest all broke. Time is over. I'll take few more seconds with end of my videos for day 1 by asking few questions of why 5% successful, why there is a gap between what people think at the age of 25 and what they achieve at the age of 65. Why there is a huge gap what they wanted to do and what they have achieved. I'll come back. I'll share my views on what is the success, on what we say the success for those only 5%. What is success? And why the rest failed and others, the 5%, achieved. Thank you with a thanks note. Take care. Bye bye. See you.